Okay, so here I am with my little setup. I'm ready to get started on this shell fun. So I have my board that I have painted. This is another recycle. It was an old Hobby Lobby sign and I've painted it. Got a little boo-boo right there on it, but no worries. The beach hair is going to cover it up. And I've printed out a little sign just to give me an idea. I'm not sure where it's going to go. This is not the sign I'm going to use. This is just on a piece of paper. When I get it all figured out, I'm going to print it out on some maybe turquoise cardstock, and then I can use some decoupage to put it on. But that's to give me an idea to leave that space. What I'm thinking is her hair. Okay, I've got this seaweed that I collected a while back, and it's got all the sand still in it. I left it like that, and then I've sealed it and left it outside to dry. So I'm thinking this might be the start of her hair. I can trim it down, or I might not end up using it at all, but that's what I'm thinking right now. I have some acrylic paints, paint brushes. So I'm not really good at painting. It's not really my thing. I don't usually end up liking anything I paint, but I think I can do it. Just a little peach face with a couple of eyes, and then down here I'm thinking just a tail, and maybe I'll put shells on the tail. I'm not sure yet, or beads. Often when I start a project, I just start and then it evolves from there. So I'm going to get started, and I'll speed it up so y'all don't have to sit through all the mundane things, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I just mixed a little bit of rose and peach paint to make the skin tone. Made a little head shape, and as usual, I changed things up after I got started. I decided not to try to make the eyes, and I kind of liked her just the way she was, but I wasn't liking the seaweed. So here's what we ended up with. A lot of shells I had collected. The strands of hair, the ones that look like strands of hair, they're barnacle shells. They're little tiny shells that collect up on string or pieces of sand, and you find them all on the beach. I've collected a bunch of them, and every time I think about mermaid hair or dreadlocks, but I was going for the beach hair, don't care kind of thing. Speaking of that, I also decided not to put the words on, just to let it speak for itself. A mermaid with some wacky hair. It's kind of didn't need the words. I thought it kind of cheapened it. So now I'm just putting on, guys, these are just the gems you get at the dollar store. You get a bag of them for $1. I got a bag of white ones and a bag of the turquoise. And I thought that they would be a good choice. Just laid them out to see if I would like it, and I loved it. So this is really an inexpensive idea. Anybody can do it. A used board, some dollar store gems, and some collected seashells. And there she is in all her glory with the rope for a hanger. See you next Tuesday. Y'all don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.